Hello my friends, Angela here. Welcome back to my art channel. I'm Angela Mutavi Art, and in today's video I am just creating a puddle pour, and what I'm going to try to do is I am going to put the puddles on all around the canvas, and I am not going to tilt. I want them to kind of spread on their own and see what kind of design they would make. So the colors I'm going to be using right now, this one is Liquitex Magenta. This one is Ultramarine Blue by Liquitex as well. This is Sherwin-Williams Satin Enamels paint. I want to see if they will create any type of reaction with all the other colors. And then here we have my gold 24 karat gold by Deco Art. And this one, let me see, this one here is ultramarine blue as well, but it's mixed with iridescent violet. So yeah, so what we are going to start with is just layer the cups, and all the cups will be layered to the same. So I'm gonna layer the first one, then I'll go ahead and layer the others off camera. And I will start with, I want the ultramarine blue to be the last one on top of the puddle. So I am going to start with that. And basically all you do is just go ahead and pour a little bit of that on in there, and then I'll follow that with the magenta, and now I will put the iridescent violet with ultramarine blue in there. Now I can put a little bit of white. So this is the Sherwin-Williams Satin Enamels white, and I'll finish that with, let me see what else I didn't put in there. I think I used all of them, but I'm gonna go ahead and put another blue. So I'll put this ultramarine blue by itself, and yeah, so all the other cups will be layered like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and layer the rest off camera, and I'll come back. No, actually I forgot the yeah, so let's go ahead and put the 24 karat gold on top, and that is gonna be in the bottom. So whatever you put last is what pours first, so that means it will be in the bottom. So if I can remember, I put that first, then that, then I put that, and then it was followed by the white, and then I put another one of that, and this. Okay, so then I'll go ahead and layer them, and I'll be back. And as you can see, I have these cups, and I have about 6 of them. So we're gonna put 6 puddles or a little bit more, depending on how much paint. So now I'll start in the middle and go out. Middle, put one here, one here, one there, that way. So we'll see. can see this. It's pretty good. Okay, so that's one. Making galaxies. If they look too big, I'm gonna try to just put a little bit of the paint. So I don't want them to blow up too big. dry like that, and then we might come back in and embellish it a little bit, or just leave it like that. I will decide on what to do after it is dry, so let's just let it dry first, and then we'll decide. Looks like it won't be nice, it won't look nice embellished, but it also looks nice this way without any other embellishments.